What's up everyone, I'm Janul and I'm a thumbnail designer and a title strategist. Today we are doing something crazy and I'm gonna try and fix a YouTuber's thumbnail, but I only have 10 minutes to do it. Alright, so let's get to the video. First of all, this is the thumbnail I wanna recreate. On the count of 3, I'm gonna start the timer and I have 10 minutes to redesign this thumbnail. 1, 2, yep, that's it. As you can see, the after one is a lot cleaner than the one. You can see I'm gonna like this. I think this was the original thumbnail and this is mine. I think this is better, but I could have named this better, this selection better, and yeah. So we went from this cluttered design. This was a little cluttered and to this clean one. If you are creator looking to level up your thumbnails, hit me up my social site in the description and my portfolio. You can check out my work. Yeah, I think this came out pretty good. And thanks for watching everyone. I hope you have a great day and thank you.